Kaushiki,
हाँ सर।
when did you wake up today?
7 AM।
What studies did you do then? What What's of studies have you done today? কিছু পড়াশোনা করেছো? Have you done any studies? Yes or no? Open your camera. Rai has joined the session. Rai, can you hear me?
হ্যাঁ স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
Kaushiki,
স্যার আপনি বোধহয় আমাকে লিংকটা পাঠাতে ভুলে গেছিলেন, কৌশিকই ফরওয়ার্ড করলো।
না আমি তো পাঠিয়েছি তো।
কই আসেনি।
আমি দুটো হয়তো ফোনেই তো পাঠালাম, তোমার আছে দেখলাম। Kaushiki has gone now. Kaushiki has reappeared. Open your cameras. Kaushiki, have you studied today? Have you?
Yes sir।
What have you studied? Mention what have you studied today?
Math,
Math. Okay. Next.
chemistry,
Math, chemistry. Next. Which chapter of chemistry have you studied today?
quantum number,
Quantum number. Rai, have you studied anything today?
ইয়েস স্যার।
What
ইংলিশ
have you studied?
ইংলিশ অ্যান্ড সংস্কৃত।
English and Sanskrit. What aspect of English have you studied?
আপনি ফ্লাওয়ার যে টপিকটা দিয়েছিলেন ওটা নিয়ে একটুখানি আমি গুগলে সার্চ করেছি আর অন্যান্য একটু অ্যাড করেছি।
Very good. Rai has effectively prepared for today's conversation on flowers. So, today's topics of our conversation is flower, and we mentioned in the last class that we shall continue our discussion on books after a few classes or days, and today we shall concentrate on flowers. What is flower, Kaushiki? And Rai has consulted Google, the biggest search engine in the world. I think he will be able to give a definition of flowers. What is flower?
Flower is the reproductive part of flowering plants.
Flower is the reproductive part of flowering plants. Very good definition. But how have I taught you to give a definition of anything? Haven't I taught you how to define a thing? In course of teaching you about relative clause or adjective clause, I taught you that a very good application of adjective clause or relative clause is that we can use it to form any definition. Kaushiki, try to define flower in that very way. Do you remember the structure, how a definition can be formed by using relative clause? Should we revise or should we mention the structure? I think your faces show that you have forgotten. Kausiki, do you remember how adjective clause may be used to define something, anything? Suppose Kausiki definition. Kausiki is a girl whose parents are dash and dash. বাবা মার নাম বলে দিলেই হয়ে গেল। First of all, this explanation but this definition will help you to remember how a definition may be formed. First of all, you have to mention what is being defined. প্রথমে মেনশন করতে হবে যার ডেফিনেশন দিচ্ছ। কৌশিকি ডেফিনেশন, তাহলে কৌশিকি। দেন ইউ শুড মেনশন ইন ইউর ডেফিনেশন হোয়াট গ্রুপ অফ থিংস অর হোয়াট ইজ দ্য গ্রুপ অফ দ্যাট ভেরি পার্সন অর থিং, যাই বলি। কৌশিকি ইজ আ গার্ড, কৌশিক ইজ আ হিউম্যান বিং, কৌশিক ইজ আ গার্ল, ইজ আ গ্রুপ। তাহলে কৌশিকি ইজ আ গার্ল। দেন you have to mention some specific feature which distinguishes that very thing with from other things of that group. তোমাকে এমন এক কিছু বৈশিষ্ট্য বলতে হবে যেটা ওই গ্রুপের অন্য জিনিস থেকে আলাদা করে দেয়। There are thousands and crores of girls, but Kausiki, when Kausiki, whom I mean, his parents' name are mentioned, then the definition will be, but features will be specific. Kausiki, your parents' name?
প্রেমচাঁদ পারুই আর ডলি রানী পারুই মাইতি।
Premchand Parui and Dolly Rani, late Dolly Rani Parui Maiti. তাহলে কৌশিকি is a girl whose parents are Premchand Parui and late Dolly Rani Parui Maiti. These two, this is a complete definition of a girl named Kausiki. In the same way, we can, that means this is the structure of a definition. First of all, you should mention the name of the thing, then you should mention the group to which that belong, then you should mention some specific feature which distinguishes it from other things or person of that group. This is the structure. Water, I think you may remember, I used to tell water, define water. Water is a natural thing. What is a liquid? There are many types of liquid, many liquids, but water is, so liquid is a group. Water is a liquid which has no color, no odor, and which is formed of hydrogen and oxygen. This is an almost complete definition of water. Similarly, try to frame a definition of flower. Kausiki, try your best. I think this is a very good way to define anything. If you have some observation, then you will be able to frame this definition. A flower is what type of thing, what group of things? Rai, you may help Kausiki to define this. Natural thing, part of a plant. A flower is a part of a plant, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
A flower is a part of a plant that, and there are various types of various parts of a plant. There are branches, there are leaves, there are buds, there are apex or that is called twig, 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 পল্লব যাকে বলে, twig. And there are various parts of a plant, but flower is called that part of a plant which is which helps in the reproduction, but which is the most beautiful part, and from which in most cases fruits are grown. In this way we may define a flower. A flower is a part of a plant which is the most beautiful part and which from which fruits are grown, and in most cases it helps in the reproduction. And in general, flowers are the most beautiful natural object, and there is very little doubt about it. Most of us will agree that flower is God's creation on this earth, and which is loved by almost all people, and with it our various experiences are associated. Flowers become the part of our daily life. Kausiki,
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
you cannot speak anything about flower. Name some flowers. This is a very easy question to you. Name some flowers. Of course in English. First of all, try to say the names of some flowers in English. Then if you cannot utter their English names, I shall help you to some extent.
টিউলিপ,
Tulip flowers. Next.
রোজ,
Rose. Next. Jova, most popular flowers. Hibiscus. Jova is called hibiscus. Next. Rajanigandha. নাইট রোজ বলে অথবা টিউব রোজ বলা হয়, রজনীগন্ধা।
অর্কিড, ব্লুবেল,
মেরিগোল্ড ইজ ভেরি পপুলার ফ্লাওয়ার উইথ আস, গাঁদা। Thus there are various types of flowers. Next, Rai, how flowers are used in our daily life? How flowers are associated with our life? Try to answer them. How do we use flowers in our daily life? Why are you silent? Flowers are mainly used for worshipping. পূজা করার জন্য ব্যবহার করা হয়। Flowers are used for decoration. We make garland of flowers to welcome some dignitaries, some famous persons who use those garlands and welcome the persons in any function. And if we say that how are flowers used daily, then first of all we should mention that flowers are offered to God, because flowers is the most beautiful creation of God. Do you know what Lord Krishna has said in Gita about flowers?
নো স্যার।
পত্রম পুষ্পম তোয়ম, পাতা, ফুল আর জল, এইরকম জিনিস যদি if these things are offered devotedly, God accept those. Patram puspam toyam. Toyam mane means water, jol. Puspam ফুল, flowers. আর পত্রম অর্থাৎ পাতা. You should remember them. Flower is the most beautiful creation of nature, God's creation, and we should offer it to God. Actually, when we pluck a flower and respectfully, devotedly offer it to God, we remember God, and remembering God is the most important work of our life, because all of this universe belong to God, and we are just actors in the stage of the world. পৃথিবী মঞ্চে আমরা শুধু অ্যাক্টর মাত্র, and the possessor, the owner, sole owner is God. We have nothing to do with this great possession of everything on this earth, because our life is very short and we have to give up this frame of body like an old cloth. This is another concept of Lord Krishna. He has said to Arjuna that as we give up, as we live, as we throw away the old worn out dresses, similarly we, the great soul, without which we cannot live, without which we have no existence. Our body will be dead body without his presence. If that very soul, the very power of God or nature, whatever may be said, leaves our body will cease to act. So no pride, no egotism can be supported in our life. And the present state of corona, the present state of the whole world, possibly makes us realize this very thing. We, the human beings, are the puppet in his hands, and we are fighting with this unseen power of God, almost unseen power of God. And so we should know that, we should remember, we should be thankful to God in every way that is possible. So you should think about it. And in course of our speaking, we have mentioned that flower is a thing which is associated with our life, because every day we should offer some flowers to God. If you get up early, if you see any flower plant, then you will see that flowers seem to be speaking with you, and the vision, the sight of the flower is a very important thing for our eyes, for our well-being. That means if you see a flower, it is a very good thing to you. The color of flowers, the shape of flowers gives us inner pleasure, and the ideal of flower is also should be the ideal of our life. Can you understand what I want to say in the last line? the ideal of flower should be the ideal of our life. ফুলের আদর্শ আমাদের জীবনের আদর্শ হওয়া উচিত। I think you cannot understand this very word. What do I want to mean is not clear to you because you are immature enough. Actually, in this world we have come to do some works. We have come to this world to fulfill our desire of earlier lives or during the desire of our life after our previous death. আগের মৃত্যুর পরে আমরা যা কিছু চেয়েছিলাম বা তার আগের জন্মে যা কিছু চেয়েছিলাম সেগুলো পূরণ করার জন্যই কিন্তু আবার আমরা পৃথিবীতে জীবন ধারণ করেছি। অল অফ আস টেক বার্থ এগেন অ্যান্ড এগেন টু ফুলফিল আওয়ার ডিজায়ার। আমাদের ইচ্ছাটাকে, ভোগের ইচ্ছাটাকে পূরণ করার জন্য আমরা বারবার পৃথিবীতে জন্মাই। অ্যান্ড অল অফ আস হ্যাভ কাম টু দিস ওয়ার্ল্ড টু fulfill our desire. Any type of desire which will remain unfulfilled will make you come to this world again and again. যে কোনো ইচ্ছা যেটা তুমি পূরণ করতে চাও সেটা যে পূরণ না হওয়া পর্যন্ত তোমাকে পৃথিবীতে বারবার আসতে হবে। দিস ইজ দ্য ল অফ নেচার। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? অ্যান্ড in that process of life our body is not like a dress, like a cloth which becomes old after use of some time, some long time. It may be 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, but after that very period that very dress becomes fed, it becomes torn, it becomes worn out, then we throw it away. And similarly, when our human body becomes old, becomes unsuitable for living, for our soul, for our power that is giving us some sort of that is giving the existence of our life, then that very soul, soul, soul leaves this body, and then our body becomes dead body, then our life ends. And all this happens with the system of God who has created for our earthly life. And we should remember God who is behind the drama of life. Then the offering of flowers, our pujas, এটাকে আমরা পূজা বলি, all our pujas should aim at this. In this context I want to mention a very great, very truth, the very truth of worshipping gods and goddesses. As you are growing girls and boys, you should know that why should we do worship? Why is there the system of worshipping? Do you know it? কেন আমরা পূজা করি? Do you know it? পূজা আমরা করি কেন? We belong to Hindu families, and in Hindu families, most of the Hindu families, puja or worshipping is a great sanskar, great system that is followed generation after generation. Do you know why do we worship actually? What is the purpose of worship? This is related.
আমি যেটা জানি যে যদি কোনো বিপদে পড়ি তখন ঈশ্বর রক্ষা করবেন, সেই ভেবে আর এমনি মনের ইচ্ছা থেকে পূজা করা হয়।
According to your answer, God saves us ইফ ইউ ওয়ার্শিপ হিম, ভগবান আমাদের রক্ষা করবেন যদি আমরা তাদেরকে পুজো করি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি দিস ইজ ইউর আইডিয়া, there is nothing wrong in it, but according to Lord Krishna, according to the Gita or scriptures, God is always merciful to us. He is always saving us, whether you worship or not, because He is our Father, He is our Mother, He is our Savior. In this context, you should know that we worship because at the beginning of our creation, during the creation of this world, it was said by the Creator that we should acquire some traits which are divine. We should acquire some virtues which would save us, and we should discard those negative aspects which may lead us to our destruction. Actually, the purpose of worshipping is to help us to gain or to acquire those good virtues which will help us to live in this world with whatever positive, যা কিছু ভালো তার সঙ্গে যাতে শান্তিতে আমরা বাস করতে পারি, সেই জন্য যত ভালো ভালো গুণ যেগুলোকেই দেবতার গুণ বলা হচ্ছে সেইগুলো অর্জন করাটাই হচ্ছে আমাদের পুজোর লক্ষ্য। এই গ্রেট সিগনিফিকেন্সটা আমরা অনেকেই জানি না। One of those features, divine features, what we should have is that we should give up all types of fear. আমাদের সমস্ত রকম ভয় থেকে দূরে থাকতে হবে। Nirbhikata is one of those 26 features as mentioned in the Gita which we should acquire. I think you want to know what are those Doibi gun or divine features which we should acquire in our life. But today I will not mention them because it will be somewhat irrelevant. Just I am giving you hints that there are 26 features or virtues. Those are called virtues of God, divine virtues. We should acquire, we should have those features, fighting with all types of negative, fighting with all types of evils in our life. Primarily, there are two types of people, two types of features in our mind, in our existence. Those two groups may be called negative and positive. Negative features, negative attitude and positive attitude. In Bengali we may call দৈবী গুণ আর আসুরিক গুণ। দৈবী গুণগুলো 26টা, আসুরিক গুণ এরকম 8-10টা আছে। সেইগুলোকে আসুরিক গুণগুলোর সঙ্গে লড়াই করে দৈবী গুণগুলোকে অর্জন করাই হচ্ছে আমাদের জীবনের লড়াই। আমাদের জীবনে পুজো বলো, কাজ বলো, যে কোনো যে গ্রেট ওয়ার্কের লক্ষ্য হচ্ছে এটা। তুমি বলবে যে এত যে আমরা কাজ করছি এগুলোর উদ্দেশ্য কি না, উদ্দেশ্যটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি জীবন বাঁচানো, কিন্তু আসল লক্ষ্য, আসল কাজ বা কর্ম কাকে বলা হয় অ্যাকর্ডিং টু গীতা, না, টু অ্যাকোয়ার those good qualities or virtues. However, we have come to a far distance in course of speaking about flowers. Now tell me, what is your favorite flower? Rai. What is your favorite flower?
Rose is my favorite flower.
Rose. Kausiki, what is your favorite flower?
Rose.
Both of you are fond of rose. Why do you think this flower as your favorite flower?
This flower looking so pretty.
This flower looks very pretty to you. And what are the other reasons for which you have make rose? Rose cannot be found everywhere because it is mainly cultivated. Do you have any rose flower plant? Right?
Yes, sir.
Kausiki, have you any rose flower plant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think they are cultivated and you have to take great care. And rose is available almost throughout the year. Does it? Is rose flower available throughout the year? রোজ কি সারা বছর পাওয়া যায়?
No, sir.
It may be available to some parts, but in our region roses are produced or grown mostly in winter, isn't it?
Yes.
And if rose is discarded, there is no rose, which will be your favorite flower which are commonly found in our environment or in our surroundings? Besides rose, which flower do you like or do you get pleasure watching them, looking at them? Kausiki, if you are given three choice, marigold, hibiscus and tuberose, রজনীগন্ধা, গাঁদা আর হচ্ছে জবা, which of these three flowers will you prefer?
গাঁদা।
গাঁদা. Rai?
Java.
Joba. That means Rai is fond of goddesses Kali and Kausiki is fond of goddesses God Shiva. Am I right?
No.
Who is your favorite god, Kausiki, or goddesses? Goddess. Have you ever thought about it? Who is God? If you go to take Diksha, দীক্ষা নিতে গেলে তোমাকে গুরু জিজ্ঞেস করবে কোন দেবতা বা দেবী তোমার ভালো লাগে? কৌশিকী,
Sir.
Rai? Kausiki is taking time to answer. Rai, who is your favorite?
Krishna.
Huh?
Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna is favorite god of Rai. Kausiki?
সরস্বতী।
Ma Saraswati is favorite god of Kausiki. Okay. Do you know that? Do you think that gods are immortal? What is your idea about God? Because God and flowers are related. Most of us use flowers to worship God or goddesses. So, if we say who are called God or goddesses, are God or goddesses immortal? Have you any idea about it?
No, sir.
God,
No.
God or goddesses are super powerful being who have been given charge of this universe, and they are not immortal. I think you will be very surprised hearing these very words, isn't it? Do you know that we are short-lived, but gods and goddesses are have very long life. They have unseen existence. They have been given the charge of every thing around us, and they have no leave from this work until this very creation, the very existence of universe becomes extinct. সৃষ্টি যতদিন না নিশ্চিহ্ন হবে ততদিন পর্যন্ত সেই দেবতা দেবীদের সমস্ত কাজ রয়েছে। দে উইল নট বি এবল টু give up their duties to this world. Understand? This is a great truth you should know. And being my students, I think you will fully believe this, because these are not my own knowledge or experience. These are the knowledge or experience of the absolute truth knowledge of the Lord Krishna or the Sadguru or the God, in the true God who has incarnated as Guru or Sadguru or Avatar to give light in the darkness of our mind. Sadguru, Avatar বা গুরু এরা এসে আমাদের এই অন্ধকার, এই অজ্ঞানতাগুলোকে জানানোর জন্যই এরকম জ্ঞান তারা দিয়ে গেছেন গীতার মাধ্যমে। লর্ড কৃষ্ণ, লেটেস্ট লর্ড কৃষ্ণ আমাদেরকে এই জ্ঞান দিয়ে গেছেন, এবং সেই জ্ঞানগুলো সদ্গুরু অবতার তারা আমাদেরকে বারে বারে করে শিখিয়ে যাচ্ছেন। ডু ইউ নো when Lord Krishna came to this world? If he remained alive, how old would she be? Lord Krishna came to this world in so-called human form, though his birth was not like ours. Do you know when Lord Krishna came to this earth? Approximate years? About 5,200 years. 5,200 বছর আগে প্রায় তিনি আমাদের পৃথিবীতে এসেছিলেন। 5,200, and he came to this world to remove our darkness of mind. Actually, before Lord Krishna, there were various sets of creation. তোমরা দশাবতারের নাম শুনেছো তো? দশাবতার। God came to this world in those periods when he took various form. মৎস্যাবতার, কুর্মাবতার, হ্যাঁ, বুদ্ধাবতার, এইসব। আর শেষ এসেছিলেন তিনি ওই কৃষ্ণ রূপে। তারপরে বা ছোটোখাটো এসছেন, চৈতন্যদেবদেব এসছেন, কিন্তু এই লর্ড কৃষ্ণ এসেছিলেন এবং তিনি আমাদের এই মহান জ্ঞানগুলো দিয়ে গেছেন এবং সেগুলোকেই আমাদের গুরু, সদ্গুরু, অবতার, মহাপুরুষ তারা সব বলে যাচ্ছেন এবং সেটাকে আমরা জীবনে যদি গ্রহণ করতে পারি তাহলে উই উড বি দ্য আইডিয়াল পারসনস, উই উড বি এবল টু লিভ the right human life. So you should know about this. And my question was, why should we follow the ideal of a flower? What do we see about the life of a flower? একটা ফুলের জীবন যদি, though it is a part of the life of a plant or tree, we may consider how a flower takes the shape of a bud, it fully blooms, it remains 1 or 2 days or a few hours, then it dies, then it withers, শুকিয়ে যায়, and it falls from the tree or plants, and then new buds grows in the branches of the flower plants. Sometimes a flower gives birth to a fruit and new plant grows from that seeds or fruits, and this happens. This is the life cycle of activities of a flower that is found by us, and it has been said that we should follow the ideal of a life, ideal of a flower in our life also. Can you say something about it? Why has it been said to us by great saints, great sadgurus, that we should follow the ideal, or we should be like the flowers? Can you form any idea about it? Rai, I think you will be able to say something.
Flowers' importance in nature is everywhere. They can be feed animals, insects, birds and humans. আরো ফুলের রেণু থেকে বা রস থেকে অনেক প্রকারের ওষুধও তৈরি হয়।
Yes. Good. Whatever you have said is right thing. First of all, I think I have already mentioned that flower is the most beautiful creation of this earth. Even man is called the best creature of God or nature. But if we see at the vegetation world, Udbhid Jagat, then we must say that flowers is the most beautiful thing. And in our life, we want beauty. Who is the person who does not want any beauty in his or her life? Is there any person who does not want any beauty in her life? The beauty may be in physical beauty, that beauty may be in her dresses. Everywhere we want some sort of beauty. Of course, there is some sort of person who does not care for any beauty in his or her life. That may be mentioned later. Flower is the most beautiful thing, and we want beauty in our life, and so we should do everything so that our life may be beautiful. This very ideal of flower may be taken in our life, and from the the importance of flowers, from the angle of importance of flowers, we may mention that flower does many types of well-being, but flowers gives us a lot of benefits, and we should also do benefits to others, to this world. We should do something that may give us some sort of benefit. We may serve with our activities, with our features, with our powers, that will be benefited, that will give some sort of benefit to others. And next, Kausiki, can you say why should flowers will be our ideal of life?
No,
আমি
sir.
আরেকটা বলবো,
Yes, Rai.
without flower plants, we would nearly be green, and the world would be a duller place.
Without flower, there will, I think you want to say, without flower, the continuation of vegetation on this earth will not continue, because the earthly creatures may be classified to two broader groups. One is human beings and other animals, and the others are trees and plants, flora and fauna. Flora হচ্ছে উদ্ভিদ আর ফোনা হচ্ছে ফ্লোরা অ্যান্ড ফোনাকেই সরি একসাথেই বলা হচ্ছে উদ্ভিদ জগৎ। তো in the animal world there is reproduction and the life continues through this process, and in case of plants, most of the plants, the new generation of trees and plants in most cases continues through flowers and fruits, etc. And flowers, if flowers are not produced, this very process of nature will not continue. My question was, why should we follow the ideal of flowers? Flowers, you should know that flowers doesn't demand anything. Flowers, if you consider the other parts of the plants, if there is a tree which has fat trunk, মোটা যদি কাণ্ড থাকে, তাহলে that trunk will be turned into wood. ওই কাণ্ডটাকে উডে পরিণত করা হবে, and that will be used to make some furniture, etc. that will remain in this world for many years. But consider a flower. A flower is very short-lived. It is the most beautiful part of a plant, but it is very short-lived. You should understand, but you should mark this fact very. Actually, whatever is very beautiful, whatever is whatever gives too much happiness, that in most cases is short-lived. This is a basic truth of our life. Extreme happiness, extreme joy, extreme beauty, everything is short-lived. This is called in our literary language transitoriness. Transitory means short-lived. Flower, though it is the most beautiful part of a plant, it is short-lived. Similarly, our life is also short-lived, and we should utilize our short span life to do the best work. We should not waste time, because our life is very, very short. And if you don't waste your time in idle works, or if you don't while your time, then you will find how time can be mostly used to make our life very fruitful. The lazy persons, the persons who waste their time, cannot make their life fruitful, successful. And if we want to be successful, we should utilize time. As flowers bloom into a birds bloom into a complete flower within a very short time. You will look at the flower plants in the early morning or dawn. You will see that the hibiscus or other some flowers, they are about to bloom. Their petals are not fully expanded themselves, but within a few minutes, within half an hour, 1 hour, and whenever the light appears, they bloom there, but they expand their petals fully, and they seem to look at us, they seem to look at the sun, they seem to laugh at us, they seem to say that come and enjoy our beauty. And they also, butterflies, bees, etc. comes to them, and they do their activities around flowers. And we also, human being, also get pleasure looking at the flowers, and we pluck some of them and offer them to God. And this is the very life of flowers, and we should follow that. We should make our life beautiful. We should know that our life is very short-lived, and we should utilize our life fruitfully, our time fruitfully, so that we may be successful in our life. And in our discussion, we should learn, we should give emphasis on the fact that flowers is the most beautiful creation of the plant world, and we should make our life like flowers, and we should take care of our plants, etc. Okay, and this is the end of our class today. Flower is a very, very good topic. There may be too much conversation on flowers, and I have little time. We have little time, so we cannot continue this conversation. And in winter in our region, most of the flower plants are grown, and there are exhibition of flowers, etc. And we should love flowers, and we should associate our life with flowers, and then our life would be as beautiful as flowers. And undoubtedly we want this, and we should want this in our life. Okay, thank you very much for attending the class. This is the end of our class. Rai, have you any question?
স্যার নেক্সট দিন আপনি ইউটিউব এই টপিকটার উপর আলোচনা করবেন?
ইউটিউবে দেয়াই হয়েছে তো, তোমাদের তো আছে তো, দেখবে।
না না, মানে ইউটিউবটাকে টপিক করে সেটার সম্পর্কে।
ও আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ করবো, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, নেক্সট ডে টপিক উইল বি ইউটিউব। গুড, your good suggestion. This is a very relevant topic, and we should focus our conversation on YouTube. Okay, this will be a very, very important and relevant points to us. Okay, let us finish the class now.